this video, I'm going to show you how to import an image or place an image as a layer in Photoshop. So most of the time when you open up an image, what it's going to do by default is it's going to open this as a new Photoshop file. See that? It just opened it in a new file. But what I'm going to show you is how to place it in your current project as a separate layer. So what you can do is go to File, and then go down to where it says Place Embedded, and this is going to embed the actual picture as a layer into your current project. So as you see here, it's a little small, but it placed the picture as a layer, so you have it here, and that's how you would do it. That is how you would place an image as a separate layer in Photoshop. Or if you want to do it another way, you can simply just click and drag from wherever your photo is and click and drag it right onto your project. That will also import it as a separate layer. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.